Ons is reg. Welkom terug by a makeup video. So it has been quite a while since I've made any YouTube videos for that matter. And I feel slightly confused as to how to do this. I feel like it's been so long that I kind of forgot how to, and once again I have a completely new setup that I need to figure out. Filming of the day did not work because I have a window the size of a Mari biscuit box. So there's just a few things that I need to figure out over the next few days, but don't you worry, we are in lockdown, so we have no other choice, we have no other option. So here we are, and we are gonna start. So today's video is going to be all about a new makeup store I went to. It is called Beauty Box. It sells, I am in Vietnam at the moment, so this store sells brands from around Southeast Asia, Asia, Korea, everywhere. And then they have a few American brands, but those are very expensive products that I'm not gonna buy right now because I feel like I've already gotten a feel of a lot of American products. Currency works a lot different than Rand. We work in thousands and millions. So when I pay 40 million dong for my rent, I feel like my whole life is sinking from my chest. Anyway, so if you buy 10, you get 10 free. I love face masks because I love skincare. And the promotion was buy 10, get 10, which is pretty amazing. I paid 4,000 Vietnamese dong for 10 face masks. As you can see, I've already used a bunch of them. So it's all in one brand. For their packaging, it looks like a little milk carton. So these, I got 10 of these and then 10 of these. These were slightly more expensive, but I did decide just to get 10. So I poured, why do I keep saying I poured? I did not pour anything. I paid 4,000 Vietnamese dong for all 20. So the way I'm gonna work all of this out is just divide it by 2, take away 3 zeros. So I paid about 200 Rand plus minus for 20 face masks, which is a massive steal. Smell amazing, but these, I'll do a separate video on Instagram about these, but they're so thin that the mask literally becomes one with your skin, which is pretty amazing because it doesn't feel like you've got anything on your skin. Maybe I should buy some makeup. I'm gonna show you. So the makeup products I mostly focused on was from Peri Pera. So the reason I went for this brand is because of their cute packaging. I mean, it's so cute, and I've also been seeing a lot of ads on this product on my Instagram. They're watching and listening to everything I say. It's annoying because I get all these ads for things I want. So this is the first product. It is called Glow Tint. And this one is in shade Pink Melon. I don't understand anything what's in the back, so I'm not going to pretend like I do. So that is, I think this is the cheek tint foundation. I'm not really sure if I should be applying it with my fingers or with a brush, but I'm going to guess that I should be applying it with a brush. Oops, I'm going to apply it a little bit on my cheek. Ooh, get like by a bit. I feel like I'm gonna end up being a ghost. I'm gonna just do one side first. We use a fluffy powder brush. I'm just gonna use little circular motions. My eyes, but for this I'm just gonna use my finger. That looks really nice. As you can see, it still has a little bit of a glow, but it does give pretty nice coverage. I'm actually really impressed. My lips have officially disappeared. Go over to the glow tint, this little guy that came in this packaging. Just gonna give it a good shake. Open it. Oh, it smells like watermelon. Okay, it's got a little like curved applicator, and I think this is for your cheeks. Ooh, okay. Yeah, okay, let's work with this first. That's a lot. I look like I've got sunburn on my 3rd day of lockdown. That's not bad. I would go like this a little bit, tap on the nose. I don't know how else to. It's extremely basic, so I'm gonna go in with my lighter shade first. I just kind of want to get a feel of how the eyeshadows work. It's nice and soft. It's very buttery, which is nice. Pigment's good, and there's no kickback on the eyeshadows. Like, kickback is when you dip your brush into the eyeshadow and it just fluffs up a whole lot of product. It's not doing that, so that's fantastic. Go into these 2 shades. So first I'm going to start this one halfway, like 2/3 into the eye, blend it out, and I'm going to use the darkest one on the outside of the eye. I'm just going to place it on the outside of the eye. This is mostly my problem with local makeup. Everything is so light, and that's just their style. Like the Vietnamese, Korean, Asian style of makeup is very light, subtle, unless you're doing like high fashion and runway. I still really want to go for like a makeup class, but we'll have to wait for lockdown to be done. Put that on the outside of the eye. Can't remember the last time I did like such a nude makeup look. And that is as dark as the colors go. Like a more compact brush, I'm gonna go in with this shimmery pink shade. I'm gonna pick some of it up. I'm just gonna pack it on the inner corner. Kind of too skinny. Okay, pack some more. This velvet ink is going to be the big part of this whole look. This lippy has a bit of a powdery finish, and I also do know this stains, so this is going to be fun. Oh, it smells really good. Well, there we go. That is trying all the new makeup that I got from Peri Pera. I will try and use these a bit more often, like now on, because I really like this product and I'm really liking the foundation. These two definitely are my favorite at the moment. Out of everything I used, I think I would actually use this without foundation as well, and I think this could be a really nice lip stain. This is definitely going to stay in my mouth. Not sure how long it's going to take to get it off. But thank you for watching. I appreciate it. If you have not subscribed, please remember to subscribe to my channel, and to those that have, welcome to the family. I appreciate you. Thank you so much. Let me know in the comments if you would be interested in a giveaway, if I had to do a giveaway with some of these products. I think it would be pretty cool to send some of it back to South Africa and give some of you guys a chance to try it. If you would like that, please let me know down in the comments, and I will see you on the next video. You are loved, you are amazing, and